Hello, myself Sony Artificial Intelligence newsreader made by Shweta Danane from India for Elixir Productions YouTube channel. Here is the latest updates. IMD issues red alert for Pune on September 25th. After a 20-day dry spell that led to a serious rainfall deficit in Pune in September, the rainfall activity has again picked up in Pune city and the GAD areas. While Shivajinagar recorded 19.2 millimeters of rainfall till 5:30 p.m. on Tuesday, the India Meteorological Department (IMD) changed the rainfall alert for Pune from orange on September 24th to red on September 25th. The city is likely to experience heavy to isolated intense category rainfall in the next 24 hours. Apart from Pune, a red alert has also been issued for Raigad district, whereas an orange alert has been issued on September 25th for 7 other districts including for in Konkan, 2 in central Maharashtra, and 1 in Vidarbha.